Recently, everything I've been seeing is people make money on YouTube Shorts. I see it on Twitter, I see it on YouTube, and I even see it on Tumblr. No, I don't. I lied. And now YouTube Shorts is paying more than TikTok, Snapchat, and even Facebook Reels. So now it's my time to shine. Now for the goals of this challenge. The goal of this challenge to get up to 100k subscribers and make $1,000. All in 3 months. Now the real question is, according to my calculations, will I be able to do it? Okay, so the channel I have created is called Huggy, and I'm using one of my old YouTube accounts with no videos at all, and it has 196 subscribers somehow. The plan is probably to do some like wholesome content and then do like some type of commentary. What I'm gonna probably do is just do 1 video a day for like the first 2 weeks because I don't want my channel to get viewed as a bot. And I'm gonna try updating every 3 days while posting once per day with commentary and see how it goes. Boys, we are actually cooking up right now. We're cooking with the shorts. Now let me explain. I posted about 5 shorts over the last 7 days, and these is how it's been going. Boom, 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 boom. It's been going crazy with crazy retention graphs like this that make no sense at all. I got about 70k views in 5 days. So I'm gonna try something I haven't done yet. I got a few things checked out. I got the subtitles, I got the music, I got the hook, and I got the CTA, meaning a question at the end. Now I'm only missing one thing. Make it longer. I'm gonna give an update on the next day to see how this short goes when it's longer. Now let me explain what I've done for the shorter shorts to get 20k views. The hook on the short is super important. I got good swipe rate on this, over 80% or like 75% and over, because in the first 3 seconds I'm like, this guy did that, and then in the middle of the video I'm like, but however, and then at the end I have a question. But the first 3 seconds are super important. You gotta ask a question or be like crazy at the viewer, because I know the video is good, I just need to make them watch. So let's cook with the short right now. And also I edit on my iPad, so it's not bad. I use CapCut on my iPad and just edit with my fingers. So okay, so I made this short. It's pretty long. Let's see if it cooks, bro. Let's see if it cooks. Let's see. First 30-second over short. First one. Let's see the results of tomorrow. Okay, so something extremely bad has just happened. I got a strike on the YouTube channel. Biggest thing, I just couldn't believe it. I got this email on my phone, and then my face was like, what the hell? And then I clicked on it. I'm not gonna reveal the company. It's a shady company. It's not a good company. And I emailed them, and they said I have to pay freaking money, like almost $1,000 to take the video down, and it wasn't even their video. So you know what, I'm not gonna dispute with that because I don't wanna go whatever. I don't wanna go to court. But either way, this is what I'm gonna be doing from now on. This is my mistake for copyright issues. Even though I don't think it falls under fair use because I'm talking about one single clip. So from now on, I'm gonna be getting permission from every single clip holder. And I recommend if you're gonna do this, please do that as well. So it's gonna be a system like this. The YouTube short link, then yes or no. And I'm gonna send them to the owners saying something like, hey, I'm reaching out, I'm Tiago Montero, and can I use your clip in my commentary channel? I'll tag you in the video, and is your video bought by a company? If they say yes, you can use my video, then I put it as a green check mark. And if for some reason they strike me again, I can just show that with proof that they said yes, so I won't get a strike. I'm gonna be doing that from now on. Just wanted to let you guys know. That was cringe as shit. And obviously you guys want to know, what are the first month recap? This is the recap, not the best views for the first month, but I think in the second and third month it will be better. I did have a little drop off at the end, so I wouldn't really count that as the second month because I was scared of the strike. So that's off. That first week isn't off. That doesn't count. Starting today, second month, I'm gonna be doing with a new strategy that I found out. I'm gonna show you the new strategy or the new things I'm implementing into my second month ever. I did get extremely better with the videos. I'm getting 10k views consistently with about 85% swipe rate to 80% swipe rate. And my best swipe rate so far was 87%, but it got about 20 or 30k views, I don't remember. But let me show you the editing I'm using and what am I doing. Chicken wing, chicken macaroni. Okay, that was cringe, my bad. Okay, so basically the shorts look like, for example, look at my old shorts right here. It's like with these captions. The captions don't look that well. And also I added a sound effect at the start of the short just to captivate the viewer's interest right away. But I'm gonna be changing the captions into something more smooth with Adobe. For example, let me show you. Like for example, the captions here are way more smoother and it sounds way better. Also, this video is doing pretty well. Look like for example, look at my first videos, how much better it improved in 1 month. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna be going way better with these videos. I'm gonna be going crazy. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do it. I've posted all these videos and I haven't gotten a viral short. I've been working very, very hard on this one short and let's see how it goes. I just woke up from a very long nap and when I checked, we got very good news. Our first video went viral, baby. 100K views. And it's still going up. It's still going up. I'm gonna be celebrating right now. Now what this means, I feel like the stats aren't that great. I have about 75% AVD, no 75% swipe rate, about over 90% AVD on a 39-second video, which is pretty good. To be honest, I think the captions and the subtitles I said with last video are really helping. Because like, just look at these past views. These past views are doing way better than usual. So I'm gonna keep this up. We're gonna keep up this trajectory, continue posting, and I'm gonna give you a 1-week update because this is getting good. The subtitles, baby, are getting better and we're getting permission from every creator. So now I feel good, I'm feeling happy, and we have good news. Things were going really badly last week and we picked ourselves up. Man, holy crap, we got a strike. That shit was ass. But we still have it, but we just gotta wait.
Unbelievable. No, I'm very sick right now. I'm probably not even gonna go to school today. Everything in my body hurts, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm still gonna show you the update. We're at 913 subs, editor put down stream, and we're getting crazy views. Look at this. We're currently doing 17,000 views an hour. And the video I showed you guys is currently at 270K. It's growing quickly. We're on the road to monetization, baby. I just knew it. We just waited for that one short. Everything's documented. And now we're all doing 100K views a day. We're growing, baby. We're growing. We need about 10 million views to monetize. So we're gonna continue posting. And yeah, I'll show you the next update. Oh my goodness. I don't think I'll be able to make any shorts today. I have some scheduled, but yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm better.
Okay, so I'm back from school and we have the greatest news of freaking history. So our short literally got, look, 1 million freaking views. We're on that grind, bro. We're going. It's at almost 10,000 views an hour. Just look at that. 500,000 views in the last 48 hours. When I looked at this, I was like, what the freaking hell? Now we have the momentum to grow. All of our other shorts are starting to pop me off a bit. Now it's our time. We have to take this opportunity. We can't lose momentum. Continue with one short a day and every single short is getting better and better. And as I told you, I'm batching each week. So every Saturday, I'll make videos for the week. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's gonna look good. And yeah, 1 million freaking views. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Look how much subscribers we got. We gained about 800 subscribers in one day. We're doing really good. Huggy's it. We're him. I'm freaking him. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just do a little victory dance because we're on that high train. We're going up, baby. Don't do that, guys. Don't dance on stairs. Alright everybody, so everything was going so well and then life just happened. The amount of tests and exams I got in 2 weeks were unimaginable. I just couldn't believe it. And all the momentum I worked for was gone. Alright, everything. The 2 million views, everything. Just look at this graph. It's completely very, very sad. It all went to zero and I've learned the lesson. If you got momentum, please use it. And I just, like, sometimes life happens. This is like 1 in a 10,000 chance of this happening. Because usually I have everything sorted out in Google Calendar, time management, everything. But this time, I just couldn't do it. That is a big L of this challenge. That's a big L. But I think I do have enough time to catch up. I'll be posting all this week. We're gonna see if I can catch up. I think I can bring this back. It showed that my shorts are good enough to go viral. That 1 week short, I got 3 million views in 1 week off 7 shorts. Now I just gotta do it again. Make even better shorts. Damn. Okay, let's do it. We won't give up, baby. This challenge is not gonna end. All I'm talking about is more bad news and more bad news. It's officially a 1 week later that I started posting again, and I applied for monetization and I got denied for monetization. It said reuse content, and then second, just look at my views. It's literally flatlining. What these videos are getting nothing, which I don't know. It's very disappointing, very sad. Why me, bro? Why? But I do think I do have an idea. I'm gonna try appealing for it because I could appeal because this is completely. I believe this is not true. I don't know why the channel's doing this. I got no idea. Maybe the 2 week break or really messed me up. It really messed me up. But I do believe this is monetization material. So I'm gonna appeal this. I better get appealed because this is completely good. Putting my commentary, I'm adding my storytelling, I'm getting permission for the clips. It just makes no sense. So I'm gonna go make another batch of shorts for the new week, and these shorts better go up, man. Like, I've been looking at the shorts every single day, like just that little graph, and I've been crying. It just hurts my soul, bro. It hurts. The worst thing has possibly happened. I mean, the worst thing. I was going up. I was going crazy. Then I reached its peak with getting that viral short. Then after, I got hit with the strike and blah blah blah. Oh, this crap. I didn't get into the monetization. Then it started going down. Then after, the videos just died. I didn't get any views. When I continued posting, just look at these views. These views are dead and they're good videos. Because I even tested it by posting on another channel and it went viral right away. So what's happening here? Am I being targeted? Or is my channel dead? I believe I have failed this challenge. I have. But I am extremely better than when I started. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times. He just found 10,000 ways that didn't work. I failed for maybe a long time on this channel, but now I'm starting to get good. Even though I failed in this challenge, I'm way better at scripting, commentary, and making a good viral short. I've gotten good, but I fell off. So now, let me tell you the lesson I learned in this video. Basically, for all the brain rot things, if there's any people like my little brother's age, the skibbity toilet lost. That sounded so bad. Okay, let's just end the video. Thank you guys for watching, and this is not the end because I'm gonna be redoing this challenge. Just wait for